Welcome to our class Suprabhat. Today we are going to learn about gravitational potential energy and escape velocity. For that we recall last year's concept potential energy and kinetic energy. We know that potential energy of any object is given by PE equals to mgh, where m is the mass of the object, g is gravitational acceleration and h is the height of the object. Kinetic energy of any object is given by half mv square, where m is the mass of the object and v is the velocity of the object. In this year, we have studied that g equals to capital G, capital M upon r square, where g is gravitational constant, m is mass of the earth and r is the radius of the earth. Using this formula, as we go high up above the earth's surface, we get that the gravitational acceleration goes on decreasing. At heights, the formula for gravitational acceleration becomes g is equal to gm upon r plus h bracket square, where h is height above the earth's surface. Using this, we get that potential energy at height is equal to mg into height of the object from earth's center. That is mgm upon r plus h bracket square into r plus h. That is PE of any object above earth's surface is given by gmm upon r plus h, where g is gravitational constant, m is mass of earth, small m is mass of object, r is radius of the earth, h is height of the object. Suppose there are 4 points A, B, C, D above the earth's surface like this. A is on earth's surface and B is higher than A, C is more higher than B and D is again higher than C. Now suppose C is the point where height is sufficient large such that value of G becomes 0. As value of G becomes 0, what we get? The potential energy of any object at point C will be 0 according to formula mgh. Potential energy, and also we know that potential energy increases with height. That is, potential energy of object at point D is greater than potential energy at point C, is greater than potential energy at point B, which is greater than potential energy on the earth's surface. And at point C, it is 0. That is, potential energy at point E is less than 0. Potential energy of any object on earth's surface is less than 0, and therefore we say that potential energy of any object at certain height h is equal to minus gmm upon r plus h, and potential energy on earth's surface is given by minus gmm upon r, where g is gravitational constant, m is mass of the earth, m is mass of the object and r is the radius of the object. Understood why potential energy on the earth's surface is given by negative sign. Okay. Using this, we are going to learn about escape velocity. What is escape velocity? We have to throw upward some objects with velocity and such that it should escape from the earth's gravitational potential field. That means We can do an activity. Throw a ball upward with smaller velocity. It will reach a certain height and come back. If we give bigger velocity, it will reach to more height and again it will come back. We can throw any object with large velocity such that it will not come back on the earth. That velocity is called as escape velocity. What is escape velocity? The velocity required to escape from the Earth's gravitational field is called escape velocity. Now to find this, we will recall last year's concept of free fall. When an object is freely falling to the ground, its total amount of energy remains constant. That is, its total potential energy mgh gets converted into total kinetic energy half mv square. In between the path, the total amount of energy remains constant at any point. Do you remember this? Yes, of course, all of you remember this, that total amount of energy remains constant. Now suppose we want to throw an object in upward direction to the point C where value of g is 0. As we throw upward, its velocity will also go on decreasing, and at point C, velocity of the object will also be 0 and gravitational acceleration g will also be 0, and therefore it will not fall back and it will remain at that place. That is, it will escape from Earth's gravitational field. Now what will be its total amount of energy at point C? Total amount of energy, potential energy plus gravitational energy. G is 0, that means mgh is equal to 0. V is 0, that means half mv square is equal to 0. That is, total amount of energy at point C is 0. What is total amount of energy at point A? It is gravitational potential energy, which is given by the formula minus gm upon r, and velocity kinetic energy, which is half mv square, and that much we have to find this value of this escape velocity. So using this concept that total amount of energy remains same throughout the path when our object is freely moving in gravitational field that we are going to use, that is total amount of object at point A is equal to total amount of energy at point C. Total amount of energy at point A is given by PE plus KE, that is minus GMM upon R plus half mv square, which is equals to 0. Solving this equation, this minus GMM upon R on left side, it becomes positive. Half mv square is equal to GMM upon R. MM gets cancelled and we get V square is equal to twice GM upon R. That is, V is equal to twice square root of twice GM upon R. Multiplying both numerator and denominator by R, we get V is equal to square root of twice GMR upon R square. But we know that G is equal to GM upon R square. That gives us V escape is equal to twice GR. For Earth, the value of escape velocity is 11.2 km per second, which is calculated in your textbook. Okay. What could be the value of escape velocity for any object on moon? All of us know that moon's gravitational acceleration is 1/6 of Earth's gravitational acceleration, and therefore value of escape velocity for moon will be 1/6 of 11.2 kilometer per second. Here, all of you can understand that value of escape velocity depends upon radius of the planet and gravitational acceleration of the planet. That is, it is directly proportional to gravitational acceleration and radius of the planet. Square root of gravitational acceleration and radius. There is direct variation. Thank you. If there is any query, you can ask me. ओके. माझ्याकडे नाही घेतला तुम्ही ओकेला. ठीक आहे, जाऊ दे.